Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OWCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And I mean, sure, there's updates that need to be done, but almost a case of deja vu where this one just once again continued to grind higher, put in higher highs, put in some higher lows. And that is exactly what you want to see. Now, the one update I am going to do is adjust this green line up. You can see right there that purple line is actually crossing up above it, and I'll get to that here in a second. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest levels of support, and then what I would now call the ideal level of support, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Ideally, if the price can stay above 0.072, that would definitely be a great sign of power. With that being said, it's not like if the price falls below that area, that implies the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above 0.072, that would certainly be a nice sign of power on the bull's part. But then taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, as I alluded to, and keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. Then eventually, in the ideal situation, move itself even up above that green line. Like as you saw at the beginning of the video, it had moved itself up above the green line. But point being, moral of the story, from the big picture point of view, assuming that's kind of your game plan, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is exactly what's being represented. And then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty sure I've said this in past videos, they just don't matter at this point. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has been doing. And that is right there. Just building those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then give it enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.